to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we are going to walk through how to apply an international driving permit in USA. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this USA government website that has the section about international driving permit. Okay. Now they have clearly said that only American Automobile Association AAA is the official organization who has been authorized by the government of USA to issue IDPs. But yes, if you search in Google, you will find other options too, but they have already mentioned about them. That not to go further. Okay. How you can apply? There's a link, click on it. Okay. So there are two methods given to apply. One is you can apply at an American Automobile Association branch in person by visiting. Second is you can apply by mail, whichever is convenient for you. Okay. The fee is $20 USD permit. Okay. Two original passport photos and yes, US driving license. This you need to carry. If you send the same application by mail, you need the application form, two photo, fee, and both sides of your driving license, and like you can include additional funds for postal service too. Okay. Now, okay. All right. I was just going through there so that okay. So it's 3 stars. If I go down 3 stars, there will be more information. Okay. You can just go through like country list and other things that you can go through there where this is accepted. But anyway, let's go through the process. Let's open the form. Okay. You can type here. Okay. So it's not that you're going to print and write everything in pen. Your email, phone number, driver license, state of issue. This is very basic information. But your next section is very important. If you're applying from international driving permit, check this one. Vehicle type of your current valid driver license permit will be issued for the same. Select that here. Date you can type, and then once you take a printout, you can sign. Okay. If you're applying by mail, fill this also so that they can send it to you. This section is for official use, so not to worry about that. Okay. So in this way, it can be done. Alright guys, so let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. And they have mentioned about the payment mode. No cash by mail. All check and money order. So you can send by money order. Okay. And made out to AA. Perfect. Thank you guys.